Next, you will see how you can make your own airdrop fast, efficient, cheap. Let's go directly to the process. So the tool we are going to use to make our airdrop, it's Robinhood Token Multisender, which is basically a tool from Smithii Tools. Smithii Tools is a no-code tool suite where you can make a lot of things on chain. They are audited, they are live since 2023, and they have a bunch of users. So it's basically safe to use. And these tools allow us to make an airdrop to anyone, the amount of wallets and the list of wallets we want, and we can send any token, in this case in Robinhood, that we want. Ethereum, Cascade, whatever you want, or any token you want. And one really important thing is that we can send different amounts per wallet, and also that we can send directly to any list of holders of any token. We can select here the token we want, and we will be sending directly to those. So in case you are making an airdrop, a promotional airdrop, to actually get people to know your token because they see it on your wallet, which is really used campaign. And I'm not gonna say if I like it or not, but it's something you might do. So you would just pick a popular token here. If you are rewarding your own holders, you can select your token, get the list of holders of your token, and then reward them directly by making an airdrop with this tool you are seeing here. Okay, the process to use it is really simple. You just connect your wallet. In this case, let me connect my MetaMask wallet. So we connect the wallet. Here we go. And now we need to select the token we are gonna airdrop. In this case, it will show all tokens you have here. In this case, it would show all tokens you have on the wallet. Let me choose this one, for example, real world assets. Okay, it's our own token I created for a test. And then we continue by selecting the amount per wallet. We can select the same or different. Different is just in case you put here your own list of addresses. In this case, I'm gonna airdrop to a token holders, so it doesn't apply. Now we select the quantity per wallet. In this case, I'm gonna do 5. We go to the method to load address. As I mentioned, you can put your own addresses here, or you can select an NFT holders or token holders. In this case, I'm gonna go with token holders. You can do, for example, Cascade, but you will have more than 60,000 holders, which is a bunch. Let's pick here, Banker. It has only 452 holders, so it's not that bad. Now, this is the input of the addresses. For sure, it doesn't show the real wallets because it needs to load them later, but we can see that we are sending 2,260 real wallet asset to a total of 452 wallets. And this is the total transaction fees, which covers the fees of the tool plus the gas fee of the chain. Okay, so we click on send. We will confirm the transaction on our wallet. Here we have, it will be a start resolving holder, which means that basically it's taking the contract address of the token, which is Banker, and extracting all the holders that are holding this actual token to get the list of them and then make the airdrop to them. Okay, so after this resolves, we need to sign another transaction to send. Here we go, sending, confirm the approval of spend of the token, basically to allow the tool to actually send the tokens. And then we are sending everything. So this is the third transaction and the last one. Here we go. And here we have the logs. It's sending so fast. We can see how fast this is going. It's in progress. And we will have all wallets with the token received in a second. Literally, it's going down so fast that I can not even scroll. Okay. So airdrop complete. 451 wallets received the airdrop. This is the network fee, and this is the transaction. From here, we can extract then all the other transactions to the rest of wallets because it's a smart contract in the backend, which is audited, that it's making all the transfer to all the addresses that we select. We can also download the holder CSV, so we can export actually the amount. So we can export actually the list of holders of the token we sent the airdrop to, or we can just send another airdrop. So airdrop complete. Now these people have 5 tokens of their wallet, which is huge. For sure, it will send to the moon. I'm joking, but this is how easily you can actually make your own airdrop in Robinhood. Airdrops are actually a really decent way to make promotions if you know how to handle them properly on socials to actually create hype, volume, and then, make your token grow. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.